If you need to recover your AppMetrica account but no longer have access to your email, follow these steps to regain access quickly. Step 1. Visit the AppMetrica login page. Go to the official AppMetrica login page to start the recovery process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Locate and click on the Forgot Password link on the login page. This will direct you to the recovery options. Step 3. Choose Alternative Recovery Options. Select the option that allows you to recover your account without email. This may include using your phone number or answering security questions. Step 4. Follow the prompts. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRT to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Reset your password. Once your identity is verified, you will receive instructions to reset your password. Create a new password and ensure it is strong and secure. After completing these steps, you should be able to access your AppMetrica account again. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to AppMetrica support for further assistance.